isometrics is something most people I see, most people do not train isometrically. And what I mean by isometrically is, you know how somebody says to you, make a muscle and you squeeze as hard as you can and people start shaking? Okay. Doing that while you work out with the weight, you squeeze just as hard with 5 pounds as you do with 100 pounds. You still use the same mental thought of squeezing, chest up high, abs nice and tight and flat, good posture, and you really squeeze through every single rep. That 10-pound dumbbell, that 20-pound dumbbell will feel like 25, 30. Okay, it'll feel heavier just by isometrically squeezing throughout the entire set and controlling the weight throughout the entire set, not just letting it fall, hoisting it up, letting it fall. No, you actually bring it up and bring it down at a quicker tempo. So those are the 3 things, and you can go a little heavier. But I don't want to talk about the weight part of it. I want to talk about just these 3. These are 3 great ways to begin increasing your intensity